Good afternoon, Mr. Yatin Khara, President, Confidence Petroleum India Limited, and Simon Hill, Vice President, BW LPG Infrastructure. Good afternoon, both of you.
Good afternoon.
Yatin Khara, sir, if you can talk about Confidence Petroleum and what are the new things that you are doing.
See, in Confidence, we are having different segments. One is LPG cylinder manufacturing, one is CNG cylinder manufacturing, and LPG gas marketing, and also CNG retail business. Okay. In CNG, we are having Type 1 cylinders, that is steel cylinders, and recently we have launched Type 4 cylinders, that is composite cylinder, which is very safe and lightweight cylinders, which is very economical for the transportation of the gas. These are the main verticals of our Confidence Petroleum. Apart from that, recently we have JV with BW LPG, and we are going to have our own LPG terminal with BW LPG. Mr. Simon will give you more details about that.
Simon, where are you building up this LPG terminal, which will be the world's largest?
Well, not the world's largest, but we hope one of the largest in India. We're building it at JMPA. It's now changed from JMPT, I think, to JMPA. It's going to be 120,000 cubic meters. This will enable us to bring in full VLGC cargoes from anywhere in the world, but primarily from the Middle East. We have the largest fleet of VLGCs in the world. We have the largest fleet of Indian flag VLGCs. So we think that we're well positioned to not only supply cargo into India, but with our joint venture partners, especially with our close relationship with Confidence, we think that we can gain access to the market in all of the areas that Confidence are leaders really in the marketplace, and we can support them and they hopefully will support us. So it's a very exciting time for us, and we think India has got great potential still, and from there you never know what can happen next. So it's an exciting project.
How will this partnership help both of you, if you can
briefly
talk about it?
It helps us to get into a market very, very quickly. You know, it's if you enter a market without partners that know how that market operates, you will spend many years learning, and maybe you learn by too many mistakes. And we saw in Confidence a growth company. We saw them with entrepreneurial flair, and we think together with our access to the international market, with our financial strength, that together with Confidence we can push forward. And already I think we're seeing the benefits of that. It's a transition stage. It's still early days for us both, but I think we're very happy with the way things have gone so far, and we're looking forward to the terminal being built and for us to have a very successful relationship in the future.
So the agreement is only about LPG?
LPG, we're a shareholder, so therefore CNG, any other entrepreneurial activities that Confidence are involved in, of course we take note of, and we will perform our function as shareholders, and myself as a board member, but our focus is LPG. That's what we're good at, and we think that's what Confidence is.
And when do you see that terminal operating?
We're hopeful that the first full year will be 2028. We might be able to get things finished beforehand, but it depends on what we meet in the next few years. But the intention is 2028 full year.
Our target is to be before that.
And the project had started? The project has started?
The ground has been cleared. We're ready to start. We're just going through final engineering stages. Hopefully then documentation will all get done, and hopefully we'll be starting very, very soon.
So this project will entail an investment of?
The total investment is going to be around, for these projects, they're always around $100 million.
Okay.
So
50-50 comes from both of you, or?
We're in a JV also with GBL, and it's a 50-50 joint venture between ourselves, which is BWC, and GBL. So yeah.
Sir, about Type 4 cylinders, how has been the offtake? And we have seen some recent tenders from oil PSUs. So
Type 4, we are just starting it. We have already started our trial production, and we expect to commission our commercial production by March end.
Okay.
and it is one of the best technology. We bought this technology from Germany, and the machineries are also German machineries, and it is one of the best product in India.
You also have some retail counters in Bangalore.
Yeah, it is quite well, and the way the new stations are coming up, the gas consumption is also coming up.